What are the risks of installing pirated games on Xbox 360?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's often shrouded in controversy: installing pirated games on your Xbox 360. Pirated games might seem like a cost-effective solution, but it's important to understand that there are significant risks associated with their use. Let's delve into these risks.
What is game piracy?
First, let's quickly define what game piracy is. In essence, game piracy refers to the illegal duplication and distribution of video games without the permission of the rights holders. These copies, often referred to as pirated games, are usually made available through various online channels.
Legal risks of game piracy.
One of the most significant risks involved in installing pirated games on your Xbox 360 is the legal implications. Piracy is illegal under copyright law in virtually every country. If you're caught downloading or using pirated games, you could face heavy fines or even imprisonment. Even if these penalties seem rare, it's crucial to be aware that you're breaking the law when using pirated content.
Security risks of game piracy.
Besides the legal implications, there are also potential security risks. Pirated games do not come through the official Xbox channels, and as such, they do not undergo the same level of scrutiny and regulation. Therefore, these games can often be bundled with malware, viruses, or spyware, which can harm your console or even compromise your personal data.
Risks to Xbox Live Access.
If you're a fan of multiplayer games and enjoy the Xbox Live services, you should know that installing pirated games can result in a permanent ban from Xbox Live. This means you won't be able to play online or download updates for your games.
Risk of poor game performance.
Last but not least, pirated games often have poor performance. The quality of these games can vary drastically, and you may experience bugs, crashes, or incomplete content. In some cases, the game might not work at all. In conclusion, while pirated games might be tempting due to their price, or lack thereof, they come with a range of potential legal, security, and performance risks. Remember, when you purchase a game legally, you're not just buying a product. You're also supporting the developers who worked hard to create the gaming experience you enjoy. Choose to play fair. We hope this video has been helpful in shedding some light on the risks of game piracy. Thanks for watching.